There is a stampede in Kumbh, that is Prayagraj or Ila. As I said, Ila is a name of a goddess. So Ila is not a Muslim term or Islamic term. Ilahabad can be Islamic term, but Ila, the name of that place where Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati, the logical Saraswati, that I call it as a Brahmaputra river, that is actually Saraswati, because east of the Prayagraj, east of the Ila, you will see typically there is a worship of Saraswati. So east of Prayagraj, if you go along, then it will come as eastern Uttar Pradesh, then Bihar, and then Bengal region, where the Brahmaputra river is there. Full along, you will see Saraswati festival celebrated. I believe in the month of January, February, something like that. So this places a concept that Saraswati river is along eastward of the Ila of the Prayagraj. That's why if you go more towards West Bengal, then more Saraswati festival will be celebrated. The intensity of festival will start growing if you move along the West Bengal. Means Saraswati river is in eastward. This proves that because density of the worship is more. So Brahmaputra river is actually Saraswati river, and the way Brahmaputra river take direction, it looks like all three rivers are two river anyway. They are meeting there. Three river cannot meet at one point. It's not possible. Through engineering way also it is not possible because every river has a catchment area. So in that sense, two river can only they meet each other. So third is the logical river, that is Brahmaputra river. Brahma and Saraswati, anyway, they are related. So, and that's how it come and meet in the Ila. There was a stampede and lot of people, they died in the stampede. Now, problem is, anyone really know that why there is a snan that is taking bath is so pious in Ila, in Prayagraj? Is it because the Saraswati, Yamuna, and Ganga, they meet out there. That's why it is so pious. Anyone ever thought about that? Why taking bath? Bath people they take in Kumbh. Kumbh happens at four places. On Chipra River also. That is in Ujjain, and one is in Nasik. That is Godavari River, and on Ganga there are two places. So one place is Ila, Prayagraj, and one in Haridwar. Four places the Kumbh Snan takes place. But Kumbh means people know Prayagraj only. They know very few people would be knowing that there are three places also where Kumbh happens. So Kumbh happens. Kumbh means Prayagraj. Why Prayag or Ila is so important? Who made the river Ganga? River Ganga, Yamuna. So there was a king called Bhagirathi. Bhagirathi was a king. Bhagi comes from word Bhag. Bhag means Bhagwan. Like Baghdad is a place in Iraq. Actually, it is Baghdad. Bhag means Bhagwan. Dad means Dadati. Dadati is a Sanskrit word. That Dadati means that is bestowed or given by someone. If I give someone something, it is Dadati. So Bhag Dadati, the place that is bestowed or given by God. Bhag Dadati, Bhagwan Dadati, Bhag Dadati. Somehow it became Baghdad now, and it looks like fully Arabic word, Baghdad. Anyway, there are other places also there. Ramadi. Ram means Ram, Adi means very old. This is a Sanskrit word. But people call it Ramadi. Ramadi is a place, I believe, near Palestine or something like that. There is a place in Iran called Ramsar. I believe the Caspian Sea, the original name is Ramsar. Ram means Ram, Sar means big pond, Ramsar. So this is now the Bhagirathi. Bhag means God. Rathi means chariot. The person who is standing on the God's chariot, Bhagirathi. So Bhagirathi was a king, and he did meditation, and whatever energy he received from the meditation, it is something like he received some kind of superpower, and through which he made river Ganga. So from the Gangotri, he started walking down, and wherever he went, the river Ganga it flew. Ganga is a name of goddess. Ganga is name of goddess, and in Asiatic way, it is called Changi. The name of Ganga is in India, but otherwise in Indian subcontinent, especially in the Himalayan region, the name is Changi. In Mongolian culture, the name is Changi. Changi and Ganga are same, like Changiz Khan. Changiz Khan. Actually, he is Changiz Khan. But many people tell him Gangesh Khan also. Gangiz Khan. So that is the so people call it Changi was an a kind of a princess or a god. She was a princess, and in her name, the name of the river came Ganga. Ganga was the name of princess, and actually the name of the river is Bhagirathi because Bhagirathi is the architect who made the river, and then it was renamed as Ganga, who was a princess, and she would be very beautiful, I believe so, because Ganga is very beautiful. All around the Ganga, it is very beautiful. So that is how it is. So Ganga, it starts from Gangotri, and then it flows and it passes through Prayagraj, and there it meets Yamuna. Yamuna. Yam means what you have to do and what means what is your responsibility. Yamuna river talks about your responsibility in your life. Yam. And then it flows through. Logically looks like Saraswati river, Brahmaputra river also meets there. Only if you draw a line from Brahmaputra river, it will directly go and meet the Ila region only. Now this is the story. Is it the complete idea? That is the question mark. What is meaning of Ganga? Has ever one thought about it? What is Ganga? Ganga, Gaanga, okay? The body of cow. Gau means cow. Ang means body part. A river which looks like a cow. Has ever one thought about it? The Ganga looks like a cow? Anyone in yogic science, there is a science called yogic science, and in yogic science, the any body, all body are same. Human body or animal body or any butterfly body, every body is same, which has a pind. Like this is top of the pind, and then pind continues through backbone, and it comes till the kind of waist. It ends there. This full is a pin, and that is the actual human, not this. These are nothing. And this pin is everywhere. If you see fish also, there is a head and there is a backbone. That is the pin. Everywhere pin is there. And then body part, the fin and everything. Similarly, bird, if you see, then it has a head and backbone is there. Cow, if you see, there is a head and backbone is there. That is pind. That is the actual body of the anything. If disease comes in the pind, then body start catching the disease. This is not allopathic science, but this is yogic science. The pind should not catch the energy. Pind should be energetic. It should not catch the disease. If pind is catching the disease, then body will catch the disease. What is disease? Skin will become white, or skin will become different kind of color, or eye will become red, or there will be pain in stomach. And now people go and give injection for the stomach pain and heart pain and lung pain like corona, those kind of things. But problem is in pin. There is more analogy. It's not that straightforward the way I am saying, but there is more into it. Okay, if it is too much time, then we will talk. So this is called Gaung. The Ganga river is Ganga, Gaung. So Ganga river looks like a cow. Okay, Gaung. If it is Gaung, part of a cow, then it looks like a cow. If it looks like a cow, then I can see the photograph of a cow, or I can see a cow. In India, you can see cow, so many cow or ox or bull, so many. Nowadays, it has become lesser day by day. When I was kid, small, then it was too many in number. If you go out of your house also, you will see bull, cow, they are going here and there. It is very common in India. It used to be very common. Nowadays, it is decreasing day by day. Okay, if you see a cow, if cow is standing, Then if a person is standing, a human is standing, what is the frontmost part of the human? There is no frontmost part of the topmost part of the human is the head. And then human stands vertical. Where if you see the cow, then cow stands horizontal. The pind of the human is vertical. Pind, head, and the backbone, it is vertical. If you see the cow, the pind of the cow is horizontal. Okay, and if cow is standing, what is the frontmost part anyone see? Head. Not true. The frontmost of most part of the cow, if cow is standing like this, okay, if cow is standing like this, the frontmost part of the cow, if you draw a vertical line, the frontmost part of the cow is mouth. Okay, cow stands like this. The frontmost part of the cow is mouth. So Ganga begins from mouth, not from the head. So Ganga not begins from Gangotri. Ganga begins from Go Mukh. Mukh, Mukh. Mukh means mouth. Okay, or face, whatever someone understands. Mukh means mouth. So the way the cow is standing, the frontmost part of the cow is the mouth that anyone can see, or bull that is standing in any market or something like that. So the frontmost part, so the beginning part of the river Ganga is Gomukh. From Gomukh, the Ganga begins. Okay, then Ganga takes kind of north to south direction, and slowly Ganga takes like this. This is Gomukh. Ganga comes like this, and it starts becoming like this, taking a curve, and it comes to a location where Ganga will become flat. This location, so from this location, from Prayagraj to, if you go north, Ganga will be east and north, and slowly it will become north. Okay, the way cow is standing, that is the neck region of the cow. So the cow starts from Gomukh, and then full is the that full the uh, Uttarakhand region. That is the head of the cow. Gomukh and full, that is the head of the cow. Full Uttarakhand region. Manas region. Manas region means highly intellectual region. So Manas is Uttarakhand, and after that it passes through Bijnor and these kind of places. Okay, and then Ganga. I visited Ganga, and from Ganga, then it will continue, and then it will make a little round, and it will come to Allahabad. That is fully neck region of the Ganga, and from Allahabad, Ganga will become flat. That is the back region of the Ganga. Down of the back region is stomach. Okay, so when Yamuna meets Ganga, that point is the beginning of deep agriculture, because that is the place actually Ganga comes in plain area. Plain area. If you see the cow, then top is the head and there is the neck. That is not plain area. When it comes to the shoulder area, there from there till back area, from where tail starts, that is a flat region. That's how Ganga is exactly flat region. So from Allahabad till the Bhagalpur region in Bihar, that is a one region, that is a flat region. There the land is completely flat, no slope you can find. If you go if you go tens of kilometers, then probably 1 meter of slope will come. Means there is no slope at all. So Ganga full back side, that is the backbone of the Ganga. That is the, how you can say, backbone of the Ganga. So when head ends and the back starts, that is the flat region, and down is the stomach. Stomach means food area. Food area means food cultivation is very high there. That is full place, very extremely high agriculture region. But that is still not a very full food region. If you go little more, you will come the backside. There is the stomach. That is Magad region. Magad region is considered as the most flat range in Gangetic plain, where there is no river at all. If river enters Magad region, it vanishes because there is no slope at all. Okay, so If you see the cow, then when the backbone starts, the flat region starts, if you go a little bit further, then you will find the abdomen. Their agriculture is the maximum. But beyond that, if you cross Magad region, little bit Ang region will come, Bhagalpur region. After that, there are two things. One, you will find a leg where Ganga falls, means backbone ends. You will find leg and you will find tail. So leg is the Hooghly River, where the Ganga falls. Falls means it falls. Leg is completely straight down, and tail is Ganga proceeds in Bangladesh. Two part it breaks. The way the Ganga, the cow breaks in two parts, but backbone ends in Bihar only, and that is the plain. So Gangetic plain, as per the theory, it starts from the Prayagraj region and it ends in Bhagalpur, and there Farakka Dam is there. From Farakka Dam, Ganga actually falls. One is Hooghly River that go exactly in the south, exact south, and other tail region that become Padma. That's why name is different. If you see Bangladesh, there is no Ganga out there. It is Padma River. Okay, Pad, Padma River. I believe it is Padma River only. Padma, Yamuna. They call Brahmaputra as Yamuna and Meghna River. So Padma River. So Ganga becomes Padma. So Ganga ends there only. Near Farakka Dam, Ganga ends because cow ends there. Then leg portion is the Hooghly River and tail portion is Padma River. And Padma River, then finally it go and meets the Brahmaputra, Saraswati, and then it meets the Meghna, and then it goes to the sea. And this part, the leg portion, the way the Hooghly River, then it go and meet the sea. Means Ganga does not touch the sea. Sea is salty. Salt is not considered very good in yogic science. So salt is Ganga does not touch the salt. So it ends in Bihar only. Ganga actually begins from the Allahabad region and ends in Bhagalpur region. That much is the only Ganga because Ganga means agriculture. Ganga means agriculture. Okay, so this is the actual architecture of Ganga that was designed by King Bhagirath, or someone would say architect Bhagirath. Okay, so Gauang is the Ganga. Now everyone understand that why Ganga is so famous in Prayagraj Ila, because in Prayagraj Ganga enters the plain region. Prior to that, Ganga has current. Ganga is not very wide and it has current. If you touch Ganga, I have personally seen in Ganga. Ganga passes through a, nowadays it is said that it is 1% or 2% only water is in Ganga. Ganga earlier used to be very high current river. Now only 2% of current is remaining. 90% Ganga is dried out. Still, if you see near Ganga, if you put your hand, if you dare to put your hand in Ganga, your hand will break. That much current is there. But if you pass the Allahabad region, then Ganga is very wide in kilometers. If you come to Patna, then Ganga is in kilometers. The think earlier days how the Ganga would be 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer wide, something like this. North of Patna, for far distance, 10 kilometer, 20 kilometers, still there is nothing now. It is fully sand. No one still lives there. It is that Ganga. Anyway, this is the design of Gauang. Through the cow design, the king Bhagirathi had designed Ganga. And that's the reason, the Prayagra region, where Ganga actually become an agricultural river, for which it was constructed by, or it was built by, built by architect Bhagirathi. Anyway, so that is the story of Gauang, that is Ganga. So Ganga importance is very different, and importance of Ila or Prayagraj, it is very different. Now people have now kind of a scope of more research out there. I believe there is a Ganga saga where Ganga meets the ocean through Hooghly and through Padma. So people can do more research here. But this is how Ganga is, and this is how Triveni is, and this is how the importance of Prayagraj is. Highly important, I believe so.